A beautiful merge here. So you want to start gradually picking up speed. A lot of beginner speeds, all car speed. And as a beginning driver, Wolfpack. The Wolfpack are all those cars and trucks up there. They're doing a back on the Expressway. You want to go in slow. This is called a clover. Now we're getting ready to merge onto the Expressway. We check and then push. I would advise as a beginning driver to drive in the middle lane. A lot of those newer cars are very sensitive with the gas and brake. Out here today, people are driving 10-year-old cars, 12-year-old cars. They're learning how to drive. The timing with the blinkers really good. This is your D. If I was your age again, I would do the social media, build it up. The ramp, getting ready to get on the Expressway. A lot of beginning drivers get this a little bit rough. You're learning. The truck driver did what they needed to do in the left lane. You got to pop up your speed, accelerate past the truck. Drivers, they're from Illinois. You as a beginning driver got parallel park. You roll straight back, cut it all the way to the right. For driving through a parking lot, you need to look left and right. You need driving through neighborhoods. When you're driving through neighborhoods, you see door open, so you got to get to have my students drive through neighborhoods. We got this person working on a house. It is a T intersection. You want to have a complete stop. It's a great area to drive, neighborhoods. We have regulatory signs. Up in a neighborhood, we're coming up to a T intersection. I like my students to drive the intersection. You know, she got a little booty short, so we always want to be aware. He's always being aware. There's a little Red Riding Hood. Right up to a partially controlled intersection. We have to have another T intersection if you guys can hear the conversation. So hey, how are you? You've been driving for about a year. Can you tell us some tips you've learned about driving? You've been driving about a year.